teach you how to add a LinkedIn profile badge to your WordPress website. This can be an invaluable addition, allowing you to showcase your professional credentials and easily connect with others in your field. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to your LinkedIn account. Open up your browser and go to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, it's time to log in. You have a few options for logging in. You can use your Google or Microsoft account or simply enter your email address and password. For those of you who have enabled two-factor authentication for added security, you might be prompted to verify your account by entering a code sent to your mobile device. It's a pretty straightforward step, but it's crucial for keeping your account secure. Now, once you're logged in, go to your LinkedIn profile page. This is where you'll make the necessary changes to get your profile badge. Look for the section labeled Public Profile and URL. This part allows you to edit and customize your public profile settings, including your unique URL. As you scroll down through this section, you should see an option labeled Add a Badge to your blog. This is precisely what we're looking for, so click on it. When you do, you'll see a prompt to get the code. Clicking here will provide you with the HTML code needed to embed your LinkedIn badge on your WordPress site. Be sure to copy this code carefully. There could be minor technical hiccups. For instance, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your identity. This often happens if there are any mismatches between your profile information and your current workplace or educational background. So if you face any issues, double-check these details to ensure everything matches correctly. Once you've got the HTML code in hand, it's time to make some magic happen on your WordPress site. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard where all the back-end work for your site takes place. Whether it's managing design elements or content creation. From there, navigate down to the Appearance menu and select Widgets. Here you'll find a variety of options at your disposal. What you want to do is select a text widget from the list. This widget will allow you to paste HTML code directly into it. Exactly what we need. Go ahead and paste the LinkedIn code you copied earlier into the text area of that widget. Once you've pasted it, don't forget to save your changes. And that's it. Quick and efficient. You've successfully added a LinkedIn profile badge to your WordPress website. Not only does this enhance your professional identity, but it also offers an easy way for potential clients or collaborators to connect with you. Follow these steps and you'll seamlessly integrate your LinkedIn profile into your website, adding an extra layer of professionalism to your online presence.